Hey everyone, now I'll be showing you the quickest and simple way to check your RAM type, whether it's DDR4 or DDR5. First, when you're in Google, search for CPU Z. Okay, click on this website here. Alright, and click this page if you're on Windows 86 or Windows 64. And just scroll down a bit and click this one, Setup English. Click it and click download now. I'm just gonna save it here. Okay, it's downloaded. I'm just gonna click on this setup here. Alright, I'm gonna click yes. Okay, now click on accept the agreement. I'm just gonna real quick install this application. Alright, now I'm just gonna open it up. CPU Z, open it up. I'm just gonna wait for it to load. So this app basically tells you all of your specification, and what you can do is you can just check your RAM in this memory tab here. And I have a DDR5, and you can check your RAM now. You can also check your channel and other stuff like your size as well. So yeah, it is very quick and simple, guys. So if you have any questions, you can just leave down in the comments below. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.